Hey everyone, welcome back to New Tech Pro channel. Today we're going to explore the charge and discharge module. Let's jump straight into the step and testing. Okay my friend, now we should input for this module. This module input 5 volt DC. As you can see, you can use this input pin here and here, positive and negative, with the 5 volt AC/DC adapter, or you can use Type-C USB Type-C for input. Here connector input, and use USB charger mobile. Before start test, please subscribe and like and comment opinion. Let's go to test. As you can see here, 4 LED power inductor here. These tips is important. This Type-C port is input and output. You can use for input or output. And here you can see side switch button. Okay my friends, now battery is full charge. Now we can testing the mobile fast charge. Let's go. Before testing mobile phone charge fast, I suggest you see this playlist. In this playlist, we introduce and testing other module charging. Let's go to test.